for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat freak with the bare face and a slick tongue, that's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back, she bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I padded my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010 young LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Niggas cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hey my loves, it's your girl, lovely angel lady, L to the A to the L. Thank y'all so much for tuning into my channel today. So y'all, today's video is being brought to you on behalf of Main Concept. Okay, yes, so thank you Main Concept for making this video possible for me and all of my beautiful, lovely supporters. So yes, y'all, this is a sponsored video. I have been rocking Main Concept units for a long time. Y'all know I've been in the game reviewing wigs for literally like a decade already. So your girl is no newbie to this right here, you know what I'm saying? So let's get into this video. Once again, thank you so much Main Concept for sending this chica right here, this unit that I am wearing. Y'all, I'm super excited about this bob. Y'all know I am a sucker. I am a straight sucker for the bobs. Yes, Bobalicious is, I think bobs are just so sexy, y'all. They are just rare, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, it is actually Halloween. Your girl ain't got nothing going on. We don't really do a whole lot on today. I mean, we used to. The boys, they pretty much just want to play with their friends and play games and stuff like that. And then there's COVID, so it's like, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I wanted to put together a fall inspired look for y'all today. So that's how we rolling up over here. Y'all know what I'm saying? That's how we rolling. But y'all, this wig right here, you are not gonna believe this, but she is in their Trill collection. Okay, Trill, I feel like Trill ENT. Remind me of Webby and Lil Boosie back in the day. In Louisiana. But anyway, y'all, she is in their Trill collection. So she is unprocessed hair, 9A 100% Brazil. She's unprocessed hair, 9A 100% Brazilian Virgin Remy. Your girl right here, her name is Koa. Koa is spelled K-O-A. I love bobs, but the fact that she's human hair, y'all, I was able to pull out my little flat iron to style her. She does not require a whole lot. It's still really easy. I did use some Tresemme Mega Firm Control Hold to kind of secure, because she does have really soft lace. So let me give y'all all her deets really quick, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I styled this girl. So the benefits are that she has a 5-inch deep lace part. Do y'all see this part? And she does come with baby hairs too, y'all. I only styled, I did a little swoop and another little swoop going this way, because we doing our grown and sexy, you know. We don't want to look too juvenile, you know what I'm saying? So we want to look like a lady, a sexy lady. But anyway, she's 100% hand tied as far as the lace. 100% hand tied lace, 100% unprocessed human hair, natural looking lace. soft and lasting healthy texture, undetectable, easy to cut hairline, which I just cut the lace off prior to putting her on because she had baby hairs and a bang. I just figured it'd be easier just to go and do that instead of trying to put her on. Secure, pull all the bang hair back, bring back all the baby hair, separate it and all that. Your girl ain't got time for that. Okay, so she has maximum comfortable, if your girl could talk, she has maximum comfortability, which means she is comfortable, but like I have her on right now and I can tell y'all, okay, no cap, she is very comfortable. I have a head size that is a little bit smaller than average, poquito, just a little bit, okay, a little. And longevity, of course, this is human hair, you know what I'm saying? So, but look, y'all, a natural sheen. She just looks so realistic. Like, I feel like she really could be mine. Do y'all see this part though? It's the bang and the part for me, okay, sis? The bang and the part for your girl right here. But yeah, your girl LAL, those of y'all who have been in the LAL fam for a while know that I love bobs. Like, I'm always here for a good bob. But do y'all see this color? Okay, I have an OT 1B30, okay? And I did have to use my little wax stick, my little TG bedhead wax stick right here. Kind of help lay the flyaways down, just give her a more sleek appearance, okay? We wanted her to look well put together and fabulous because she is. Do y'all see these layers? And okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. So here's her part. Like I said, she does have baby hairs. Let me show y'all what the hairline look like. Right chill, bam, right chill, bam, okay? And then turn this way for y'all. This is her right, okay? So the part is on the right side, y'all. Okay? This is the left side. That's where you get the swoop and the bang. And I could bump the back a little bit more if I wanted to, y'all. I didn't want her too, it's, you know, she's very layered, but I didn't want the curls to be too tight. I just wanted to bump you know, the hair. So that was the look I was trying to achieve today. It's like a flat iron and bumped bob style. That's what I wanted to rock. So very, very cute for the fall. She's actually good for any season, but y'all, this color, okay? Yes, it's the color for me too, you know what I'm saying? Like, I really, really, I love the dark roots with the lighter colors. So yeah, the OT 1B30 is really for your girl. Like, I'm really feeling that.
Think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. I don't regret that. Sunny side up, try to keep it cool. Bending all the rules, bending all the rules. It gets colder, but I hate being cruel. I can't be cruel to you. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there
y'all, I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I got to try her because I've been rocking Main Concept wigs, like I said, for a long time. And they're always top of the line quality. Like, I rarely have an issue with one of their wigs. The construction of this one is absolutely like amazing. I'm really, 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 really pleased with the construction. As far as her being big head, I wouldn't say that she's 100% big head friendly. She's not super tight and snug, but she does fit me. Like, she has like about 1.5 inches, I feel, under there. So big head chicas and cuties out there, queens, y'all should be okay if you have your hair braided down flat and secured very well. Y'all should be good to go. Shouldn't be no issue there. But she is good for date night, for work. Y'all, bobs are so versatile and flexible. How you do your makeup, what you wear with the hair is pretty much what's gonna really, your accessories is gonna bring it out. You know what I mean? So yeah, we wanted a fall inspired look, something really kind of classy and sexy like. So that's what we went for today. So what y'all think? I like her. I think she's very, very gorgeous. Y'all, I am going to be reviewing some other units as well for Main Concept. Let me tell you, don't sleep on them, okay? Y'all see with your own eyes right there. Y'all see what we're working with right here. And if you like human hair wigs, y'all ain't gonna wanna miss this one. You are not gonna wanna miss this one. I will put links and everything for y'all below. If you are not in the LAL fam, boo, what are you waiting on? I need to have you in my life. It costs you not a thing. It's free to join the party up over here. So what you gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and give you a moment so you can go ahead and subscribe. All you gotta do is become official by pressing that subscribe button, bae. Yes, that's all you gotta do. So go ahead, press the subscribe button. Don't forget to tap the alert bell so that you won't miss out on any of the uploads that we have. Y'all, it is the holiday season. I have a 3-wig giveaway going on right now. It is actually about to end, so y'all need to go ahead and wrap up getting your entries in for that. And then I am planning on doing a Christmas giveaway. So y'all, be in a giving mood, and I feel like I wasn't put here not to bless other people, to bless God's people. So I want y'all to look fabulous and be blessed and be happy and have nice things too. You know what I'm saying? So your girl is just really expressing appreciation and gratitude, because y'all, like, really, if I didn't have y'all, what would the channel be? LAL would be nothing, honey, nothing. So yeah, y'all, but I think she's adorable. Did I show y'all the back? Let me show y'all all the way. So this is the back. So she is layered. She is short, nice and short in the back. Y'all, I just love this style. She reminds me of one of my synthetic bob units from like last year sometime. As y'all know, I review a lot of wigs. But I would like to thank Main Concept once again for sending this girl over to us to check out. So y'all had a good look. Mira, you see? I think she's a-okay. So y'all let me know, chat with me in the comments. Let me know what you think of this girl right here. And your girl LAL, I have some things to do. Before I go, let me show y'all a comparison on the model, on the Marid, and on your girl LAL. Right, center, left, okay, all day, hey. I'm just playing, y'all. Your girl is like lit. I haven't had no Red Bull or anything today. I I need to get one of those in my life because your girl is working off of limited sleep once again. But I'm a lot better than like last weekend, y'all. I was like, I look like a zombie, and we don't want to look like that. That's not cute. No, LAL, it's really not. But okay, mis amores, thank you so much for joining the fam. Thank you for those of you who have been in the fam for a while. Do not go nowhere, y'all. When I tell y'all I got like so many videos to upload just this week alone, y'all won't want to miss. So make sure that you have tapped the alert bell and y'all show up for your girl. Let me know in the comments what's a good time for y'all to attend video premieres like during the week. What are really good, you know, days and times for y'all. I can see using the YouTube tool when y'all are more active on YouTube. Like as long as you have over 1,000 subscribers, you have access to that tool. But I want to know from y'all. Like I want to interact with y'all and know when y'all would be able to be there to show up and show out. Because y'all really keep me going. Y'all uplift me. I know I inspire and motivate and uplift y'all all the time too. But we are here for each other. You know what I'm saying? It's me and you. Yes. But y'all have a very blessed day. Have a fab weekend. Your girl is going to see you in just a few days. I ain't going nowhere, just a few days. And I'll be right back with y'all. So y'all have a good one. Don't get in too much trouble tonight, you know. But I hope y'all enjoy yourselves. And I'm going to be catching you next time. Me and Koa got some things to go do. So we about to head out and get the show on the road. It is a lovely Vegas day. So we're about to get out and do what we do. So, all right, my loves. All right, beautiful, lovely ladies. I will talk to you next time. Later, y'all.